I need your help with Samsung dishwasher problems.
The problem is that they make great TVs and decent DVRs but lousy standard appliances like dishwashers and refrigerators.
That does not help me troubleshoot the Samsung dishwasher problems I have now.
The Samsung Waterwall dishwasher failed consumer reports testing in 2014. The new technology sounds cool but doesn't deliver on its promises.
That's not the model I have.
Samsung dishwashers had trouble fully cleaning the dishes, even when you use rinse agents, hot water and premium dish soap.
All dishwashers do a worse job since they got rid of phosphorus in the dish soap.
The Wonderwall was horrible because it left food residue around the drain, clogging it, almost every load. That was only moderately worse than the average Samsung dishwasher.
I do not consider that a good meaning of the word average.
Samsung's service is below average, where they offer extended warranties but send you to authorized repair centers for warranty work. And they charge you if they deem it something you could do.
I could clean the filter myself, but I don't want to take it out to clean the drain hose if I don't have to.
A lot of them have a hard food disposer in place of a filter, but the models with that do a mediocre job at best. Another problem they have is constantly airing out.
I have heard you can reboot it by turning it off and turning it on, whether at the control panel or at the circuit breaker.
That works sometimes, but not all the time. Samsung dishwashers routinely have more limited selections of wash cycles.
I do not care about having 10 different wash cycles, only if I can clean my dishes well.
They do not remove stains like baked-on grease or lipstick well.
You can solve that problem by switching to lip gloss or better lipstick, but the grease not coming off is a problem.
Another problem they have is that the touch-sensitive buttons aren't very sensitive, so you are hitting it like a slow elevator's button trying to get it to start the cycle.
But they do tend to have a lot of room.
You already have storage for the dishes in the cabinets, which the Samsung dishwashers tend to become when they start acting up, shutting down just a few seconds after starting.
And it is not due to the controls getting bumped.
Some people report the problem even after hitting the child lock, so you can't blame this on the toddler. It's an electrical problem.
The solution to that is unplugging it and buying a replacement.